Yeah, well, I have not uploaded in a long time, and I'm not gonna play that much stuff. I'm not gonna play a video today because I have not uploaded in so long, and also I'm sorry for not uploading. I've been really busy and all that, so let's play some Minecraft real quick if I can find it. What should we play? Let's go to Nether Games. A copy of Hypixel, kinda. Okay, we're gonna be doing some duels, so let me find the duels. And also, please sub and like. Let's do some duels. We're gonna 1v1 this guy. Okay. Let's do some. Oh, what friends do? Like, this guy. Nice, this guy's having some really good combos. I might actually die. What is this? Oh. Play again. Let's do random match. Let's do normal. Let's see what happens. Oh, oops. My microphone. In the chat, I wanna say if you could hear me because it was somewhere. Let's do this. Yes. Oh, I don't know why I'm a Technoblade skin. Okay, we're doing bow. It's gonna be the last match because I'm just gonna talk about stuff. Because as much fighting as well. Oh my god, I really suck with bows. Oh, it's Harmon anyway. No, it's normal. No one. I'm just gonna straight up hit him. Yeah, probably won't work. Oh, he hit me, I hit him. I think I might lose because I really hate bows. No. Come. Oh, he's so close. Yeah, okay, that's last. So how do I turn this? Guys, that's it. So